Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be walking you through how to connect your Trust Wallet to the Pixelverse dashboard. As always, if you're curious about the tools I use to make these videos, check the description below for the links and let's jump right in. So first off, you had to open your Pixel tab. Now, once you are in here, you just have to click that wallet. Now, once you're in here, just click the connect wallet and you just have to search Trust Wallet. Now, once you are in here, if you don't have a Trust Wallet account, you just have to create an account. But if you have it, just click yes, I have it. Now, you must be wondering where would you get the deposit address? So you just have to open your Trust Wallet. Now, once you are in your Trust Wallet application, you just have to click the receive button. Now, once you're in here, just search for USDT. Once you have seen USDT, you just have to click that and then you just have to copy the address. Now, once you have copied the address, you just have to paste it in here. And once you are done copying the address, that is how you connect your Trust Wallet into your Pixelverse or your Pixel tab. And you just have to click made it and that's it. Thanks for sticking around. I hope this tutorial on how to connect your Trust Wallet to the Pixelverse dashboard was helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more crypto and tech guides. Check out the description for helpful resources and my gear setup. See you in the next one.